Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me the screenshot and they think they've lost customization. Well, they haven't. Not the only gripe, but the main gripe I have with Corel is they keep moving stuff around through year. This is 2021. I have since quit using 2021 and I've had 22 and 23 now. So I don't really remember what this looks like. But right here, he's gone to Tools, Options, and CorelDraw, and it's Control J. I'm going to go Control J to get to where he's at on this screen. Right here, customization. I'm almost guaranteed it's here. And there's your customization screen. Now, with that said, let's make a hotkey for customization if you're going to use it a lot. Let's, I'm going to hit F12 on my keyboard to get everything inside. I'm going to make it alternate C. Alternate or Control C is copy, so we can't use it. But I'm going to go, so how to find that for him, I'm going to go Tools, Options. I am going to go to CorelDraw. But these other things should be there. Customization. There's your customization. Now, right here, type in commands. No, type in customization. Right there's customization. Click on it. Go to add a new shortcut. I'm going to hit alternate C. It's not assigned to anything, so assign it. Press OK. Now, when I want to do something with, and I'll probably keep that and use it, I want to do something with customization, I'm going to go alternate C, and it comes up. This is where you can change your commands and make everything, make a lot of shortcuts. Some of these are already shortcutted, but, if you want to make a hotkey for, like the rectangle tool has a shortcut of, let's see what it is. I don't ever use it. Rectangle has F6. So if I hit F6 on the keyboard, I get the rectangle tool. So that's a shortcut. So try that, see if that's not your problem. Tools, Options, his is different. I have them listed right here where he's going to have to go to CorelDraw, and then it should be, here's CorelDraw, here is document layout, customization, tools, and global, and workspace. So that's your icon for customization. Let's see if to test my theory, customization, alternate C, the one I just made. Now, when you're done doing that, save as default and have everything checked. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.